Hey guys, this is Rishandra. So today we will look at the last few topics in large language models. So the first one is embeddings and uh, embeddings. They convert text into numerical vectors representing meanings. So for example, like words with similar meanings have like similar vectors. So if you have words like king, queen, and prince, so these words will be like closer in a vector space. So embeddings are usually used in like search engines, recommendation systems, or RAG systems, eh, eh, like those. Next one is pre-training. So pre-training is the initial training phase. So the model learns from a huge data sets. Example, so you give a training tasks like the task is like predict missing words, and then you give a sentence with predict missing words, and then you give a sentence with a blank space. So then uh, then the AI it predicts what word would go into the blank space. So for example, if you write a sentence like the sky is, and you just put a blank space and you tell and you give the prompt like a predict missing words. So it gives the AI, it gives the answer blue. So that is like pre-training. Next is the reinforcement learning from human feedback. So, which is in short known as RLHF. So, RLHF improves model behavior using human feedback. So, the process is like so the model generate responses and so first, the model generates responses, and then the humans rank the responses based on their preferred mm, behavior. And then, based on what the humans rank and their behavior and their preferred responses, the model learns how um, what they prefer and what they would like, and then it uh, changes according to the human's preferences. So, the RLHF is like mainly used for safety, better conversations, and following instructions. Next is retrieval augmented generation. So, which is also known as RAG. So, RAG combines large language models with external knowledge sources. So instead of only using the training data, it like first checks the user question, and then it searches the databases or documents, and then the large language models generates the answers. So it works like that instead of just using different using training data. So the advantages of RAG include like updated information, domain specific knowledge, and reduced hallucination. Next topic is hallucination. So hallucinations happen when a large language model generates incorrect information confidently. So, for example, the user types in a prompt like give a fake research paper. So, the model may create a realistic but existent citation. So the solutions for these are like uh, retrieval augmented generation, better prompts, fine tuning, and verification systems. Next topic is inference. So inference is when a trained model generates output. So in the training, during training, it's the person will the AI will the learn so that during training it's like a learning phase, and during inference it's like using what you learned during the training phase. So for example, ChatGPT is inference, which means like it's using what it learned during the training and all. So next are LLM agents. So an AI agent combines large language models, tools, memory, planning. So for example, an AI agent can like search the web, execute code, send emails, and analyze files. Next, are multi-model LLMs. So modern LLMs can process multiple data types like text, images, audio, video. So, for example, like if you give an input, uh, if you give an input with like an image plus a question, so the output will be a text explanation. Yeah. Next topic is quantization. So quantization, it reduces the model size. So for example, if the original model is like a that it has like 32-bit parameters. So what quantization does is it reduces the model size from 32-bit parameters to like 8-bit parameters. So the benefits of using quantization are like faster inference and less memory usage. The last topic is large language model applications. So large language models are used in software development for code generation, debugging, documentation. They are used in business for customer support, data analysis, and automation. And they are used in education as AI tutors and personalized learning. And they are used in healthcare for medical assistance and research analysis. And they are also used in data science for SQL generation, data exploration, and report generation. So, in summary, large language models are deep learning models trained on massive text data sets to understand and generate human language. So, they work by converting uh, text into tokens and processing those tokens to through transformer architectures using self-attention mechanisms and predicting the next token. So important concepts like tokenization, context windows, prompt engineering, sampling techniques like temperature and top fine-tuning model parameters, embeddings, RAG, RLHF, and multi-model capabilities. So these concepts helps us understand how modern AI systems are built and applied in a real world application. So, yep, and that is the end of large language models. So, yep, that's it for today, and I'll see you again either tomorrow or on Monday. So, yep, that's it for today, and I'll see you again. Mhm. Yep, thank you. Bye.